Today I'm going to show you how to fix this Shark Duo Clean when this sucker down here is not spinning. All right, so I'm going to turn it on. When I turn it on, this brush roll indicator will turn red when I pull it out. Watch. Pull that back, turned red. What you want to do is check for obstructions first, just in the hose by taking this off. I'm not going to show you that, it's real easy. Pull that open, check that out. Pull this up, check it out. But the main issue is right in here. So as you'll see by most videos on YouTube, pull this open, pull this tab out, flip it over, and you eject this roller. You don't need close-ups of that. Okay, so you clean this out, you get all the hair out of this. Same with this guy. But mine is still stuck. If you'll see in here, there is hair and carpet all stuck in here. So you get in there real good. All right, so I got quite a bit out of there. You can still see some. I had this in there. Some extra hair. We'll spin. All gunked up in here. All right, let's put it back in. So, push it down, see if it turns. Oh, see if it turns. Yes. Put the cover back on. Let's turn it on and test it out. Power.